about the injury and surveillance of pesticide poisoning in the United States by workers, by pest control workers. Okay, these are including people who work in pest control. It is between 1.85 and 3.89 per 100,000 employed people. That is the data. People who are in pest control understand how to handle pesticides, understand how to use them, understand how to protect themselves from being exposed to pesticides, and therefore, out of 100,000 workers, 1.8 to 3, what is it? What's the number? Let me show you down here. Let me bring this up here so that you can see it. I'm pulling up this data. Well, back here. Back. Go. Yep. There's the data at the bottom. This is the other. Acute work-related pesticide poisoning rates, 100,000 employed persons, 16 years over, 2006 study, 1.85 to 3.89. If we are working all the time with pesticides, you would think that the poisonings would be through the roof, that the intoxications would be through the roof. They're not. That's the reality. That's why our insurance rates are so low. You realize that as a pest control professional, the average insurance rate around the company for a small independent guy is somewhere between $1,200 and $2,000 a year. Much higher if you're a landscaper, if you're a roofer, because the chances of you getting injured are so high. Not so with pest control. This is the facts. Let's look at